Okay, I'm going to go over how to set the scale bar measurement for the assignment 1 on the Anolis lizard. So the first thing I'm going to do is upload one of the files that I will have downloaded from D2L, and I would go here, we'll do this one, and upload. And it may take a minute, but it will work. Once I've uploaded my file successfully, I will go to open that file. Now I have the x-ray of the lizard here, and over here you'll notice that there is a scale bar. That scale bar corresponds to 25 millimeters. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my segmented straight line tool, and I'm going to measure that distance with the line tool, and then I'm going to go up to Analyze, Set Scale, and now I know that that distance, right, the known distance is 25, and I'm going to make sure I set it to millimeters, and click OK. So now my scale bar is set, so I can go back to using this straight line tool to get a body length measurement. So I just start here and go down to the pelvis area, double click, and will go to Analyze and Measure. So it tells me that the body length of this particular lizard is 42.097 millimeters. Now I'm going to go and actually measure the leg length, hind limb length, and I use that using the segmented tool so that I can be able to get the full length accurately. Oops, I just messed up. Okay, so just start here, and then click once, click once, click once, and then I may have to click a couple times to get down to the toe, end of the big toe, double click, and now again I can measure that distance, and then I can do the same thing with the tail, starting right about at the pelvic girdle, and again I'm going to just click as I move along the tail so that I get the accurate length of the tail. And now I again go to measure, and now I have the length of the tail. And then I take those measurements and I enter them into the data sheet here, and I just did 1809, so I will go and enter those measurements in here. So the body length is 42.097, so I'll round that up to 0.1. The tail, the limb length is 38. One, and then the tail length is 112.4 millimeters. So now I have those values, and I can calculate the ratio by taking the ratio of the hind limb length here divided by the body length, right? And I can do the ratio of the tail to the body length. Now I have those values, and I'm going to finish up collecting data. These 4 I'm going to collect body measurements, and these 4 I'm going to collect toe pad lamellae, and then I'm going to repeat that for the other species I'm interested in, and then I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to graph the data. So we'll do another video on how to graph the data later.